studying in 2026 is completely different. Because now, students don't just study harder, they study smarter with AI. In this video, I'll show you the exact free AI tools you should be using as a student and how they can save you hours every single day. Let's start. First, for note-taking and summaries, use Notion AI and Otter.ai. If you have long lectures or messy notes, just paste or upload them. And these tools will turn everything into clean, structured summaries in seconds. Perfect for quick revision before exams. Next, for writing assignments, use ChatGPT and Grammarly. You can generate ideas, improve your essays, and fix grammar instantly. But don't just copy, use it to actually understand and improve your writing. For research, check out Perplexity AI. Instead of going through 10 different websites, it gives you direct answers with sources in seconds. This alone can save you hours of work. Now, if you hate making slides, use Gamma or Canva. Just type your topic, and your entire presentation, design, content, everything, is ready. Here's something powerful. With Pictory and Lumen 5, you can turn your notes into videos. This is perfect if you're a visual learner, or if you want to start your own YouTube channel. To stay organized, use Motion. It automatically creates a study schedule for you based on your tasks, so you always know what to study and when. If you want to improve your English or learn a new language, try Duolingo and Elsa Speak. They act like personal tutors and give you real-time feedback. And finally, for solving problems, use Photomath and Socratic. Just snap a picture of your question and get a step-by-step explanation instantly. So yeah, students today have tools that can literally save hours every day. The only question is, are you using them? If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to AI Tools 101. And comment below, which tool are you going to try first? See you in the next video.